In everything I own or choose to wear, every detail matters. Every color, every texture, every accessory is an extension of me. It's how I express myself to the world. Why do I care? Because this is who I am. And if the world doesn't know it, well, I'm here to show them. But when it comes to my car, the personalization seems to stop. Until now. With Advantec Wheels, my car is as much a reflection of me as everything else. With over 20 finishes, a whole host of single and dual-tone colors and designs inspired by both natural and man-made elements, Advantec Wheels is India's first alloy manufacturer to offer practically endless customization options, including floating wheel caps that look as cool as they are premium. And speaking of endless customization, their element painted option lets you match the color of your wheels to the exterior or interior of your car. And if you think such exclusivity will make a big dent in your wallet, think again, because these beauties start at surprisingly affordable prices. And I didn't have to go to great lengths to find my favorite set either. Advantec's DIY feature meant I could simply order the wheels online and have them delivered to my doorstep. All I had to do is to take them to my local tire center and have them installed in a flash. Now I know what you're thinking. Sure, they look good. But how safe are these wheels to drive on? Well, the team at Advantec has over 5 decades of experience and makes alloys that are floor forged, a process that combines elements of both traditional casting and forging processes, making the wheels supremely robust and durable. Which is why I can confidently do this on our infamous city streets. And that's why I refuse to settle for stock wheels when everything else in my life is crafted to my taste. The only question is, why do you?